Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Outlander Sport. The all-new Outlander Sport features a fuel-efficient engine paired to either a 5-speed manual or a continuously variable transmission, and comfortable accommodations for 5. Passengers will be treated to a refined ride in comfortable surroundings with a host of welcome features. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.